Who fancies being crushed by the lorry when he does this right turn? What should the Fiesta do? Fiesta should really depend on the Hartley's Travel minibus. Hartley's Travel minibus, if it doesn't get in front of the lorry, should hold back and let the lorry complete the turn. Silver one then, Silver Fiesta, is utterly dependent on the Hartley's Travel minibus. What do you reckon is going to go on? Is anyone going to be trying to force past and being an idiot? Or are people just going to take the proper approach? Me, I'm staying back. Well done, Fiesta. Well done, Hartley's van. Well done, lorry driver. Everyone, top draw.